Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Michael. Hope you all well and safe out there. Today we're going to do an asparagus recipe, full season now. I've got beautiful British asparagus to present you. The ingredients for today are fresh British asparagus, parsley, eggs, nutmeg, parmesan, lemon juice, butter, and salt and pepper. I hope you enjoy today cooking with us. Boiling hot water, drop the eggs in, and we're going to cook them for 10 minutes. Next thing we do, we prepare our beautiful asparagus. They're very nice and thin here, so I wouldn't really peel them. If they're a bit bigger and you feel like they're hard, you want to go and peel them. But here, first asparagus of the season, nice and soft and crunchy. So what we're doing, we just cut the edge off, the harder part. And then we'll just remove all the little spurs coming out. So all the trimming, you want to keep this. You don't want to throw nothing on the asparagus. You can keep them for a soup, you can keep them for a stock or anything like this. There we go. My eggs are boiled for 9 to 10 minutes and they are ready to be peeled. Next, I'm gonna cook my green asparagus in salted boiling water. Salt in, asparagus in. So my asparagus are cooked and boiled now. They are ready to go. I've passed them and put them in the pan, ready for the next step. So let's make the sauce. I've melted my butter. I grate some generous nutmeg inside. This will bring a little bit of spiciness to the dish. Then I grate my egg. Chop some parsley. I'll add that to my sauce. And I finish with lemon juice, salt, and pepper. That's our sauce ready. Okay, let's try it. Smooth and punchy. Now I grate my parmesan. So here I'm using baking tray and a baking paper so it doesn't stick, because we're going to melt it under the grill in the oven, and once it's cold we will be able to break it, and this will bring some texture to the dish. And this goes in the oven under the grill at 180 degrees. And we leave it to melt for approximately 5 minutes. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. Nicely melted, a little bit of coloration, which will bring a nice crunchiness and flavor to the dish. So here, as you see, is now cold, so it's nice and crunchy. So here, our finished dish. Asparagus sauce. And to finish, some crunchy parmesan tuile. And there you have it, your Blanche British green asparagus with Flemish sauce and parmesan crisps. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel to discover more interesting recipes.